I'm Latoya.
And I'm Candace.
And if you haven't guessed it by now, yes, we're twins. And we would like to say welcome to our channel. We created this channel because we would like to share with you guys our passion, which is, well, doing hair. And friends and family have oftentimes said that we should make this a business, but it never really got off the ground. So what we decided to do is to share our passion with you guys. And so in doing that, we would still like to remain true to ourselves. We're not here to sell you anything. We're not here to bribe you or anything. We're just two chicks who love doing what we do, and we want to share our passion with you guys. So we hope that you guys can come along with us on this journey into growing healthier, fuller, natural hair. And we hope that you love our channel. Come subscribe, like us, follow us on this journey, comment. Just chit chat, girl talk, boy talk, whatever it is you want to talk about. Well, you're welcome, anybody. So come along on this journey with us.
I hope you enjoy. Bye.